Okay, alright, video vlog check everybody. Azrael here. We are here sa HP launching, no? Kasi si HP is launching a new workstation. They featuring two kinds of machines, no? The HP ZBook Ultra G1A, which is one of their powerful Ultrabook na ginagamit to for designing, for the creatives. Very powerful lang siya pang 3D. At yung isa naman is yung Z2 Mini GA1. Kung nakikita nyo itong PC na to na medyo malaki, itong version na Z2 Mini G1A is mas maliit pa dito sa PC na ito. So unfortunately, yung the unit kasi wala. I just showed lang sa mga pictures na lang, no? Para ma-visualize nyo yung Z2 Mini G1A. But let's move on to the ZBook Ultra G1A. Doon sa kabila, napakaganda ng laptop na to. It's 14 inches Ultrabook. It's parang Ryzen yung kanyang processor. At talagang napakaganda. Nakita ko yung specs niya online. Very impressive. At yun nga, some professional creatives sa industry are now starting to look into that Ultrabook, no? Diba? Din ni HP, no? Kasi talagang powerful siya. Good for creative and 3D designing. So let's move on. Pasok tayo doon sa kabilang side. Actually parang meron dito parang tumutugtog na kalam, parang may wedding. No? Katapos na yung event, but we're going to explore now with this HP. Siyempre, powered by NVIDIA na rin din sila. Alright, let's do this. At panahon ng AI, siyempre, itong kanilang machines are merong AI. Alright, let's do this. So we are here sa work area ni HP. At hindi lang laptop yung feature nila, also di pang web conferences na rin din. They call it the Poly. Ayan, yung parang speaker, may camera, may webcam. Very wide. At ito yung kanyang terminal. Parang tablet. That's the Poly TC10. At may kasama siyang microphone, naka-speaker. At this is a microphone pala, Poly A2 mics. And ang feature nila. So lahat yan is nakakast siya dito sa TV. Good for web conferencing. Parang sabi nga ni Papi, parang similar to what they use sa Senate hearing. Parang ganyan din. At okay, on the front is, this is the HP ZBook Fury G1i 18 inches na mobile workstation PC. Napakaganda, napakalaki niyan. Napakalaki ng kanyang laptop. It's very 18 inches kasi usually mga 16 inches to 15 inches lang but here 18 inches at syempre nakaano siya dito sa kanila magandang external monitor na HP Series 7 Pro 27 inches 4K conferencing monitor. Naka-bundle siya dyan for the setup lang, no? Pero syempre if you want to get this at plano mo mag-external monitor, mas maganda HP na rin yung kuhin ninyo. So sana narinig nyo ako, no? Medyo maingay dito, but we're looking at the camera. Napakaganda. And looking at the specs. And here's the specs. Intel Ultra 9, 128GB of RAM. Diba? Windows 11. Ayan. And I think, sabi nila dito, parang kaya daw nito is 4TB eh. So, meron siyang graphics card na NVIDIA for sure. 24GB. Storage siya is 3.73 TB. So I guess mga 4 to, no? So Ultra Core, Intel Core Ultra 9 ang gamit niya. Galing, napaka-interesting setup na to. Balik natin sa web camera. Ito yung very cute na Ultrabook laptop niya. Umiikot yung webcam. I think the webcam is over here. Nakikita ako sa webcam eh. Parang naka-focus siya eh. So this is the HP ZBook Ultra G1A 14 inches mobile workstation PC. So ito yung grabe, naka-focus sa akin. I guess the camera is here ata. No? Ito ata yung camera, tama ba? O ito. Ito, sa harapan ko yung camera. Ayan, ito ako, no? So naka-stream yan. you're doing web conferencing. But this is a very powerful uh, Ultrabook PC, no? Nakita ko yung specs nito. It's very interesting, no? Very interesting yung specs nito. Check natin yung specs niya, no? Para magkaalaman tayo. Kasi naganda ng specs nito. This is a Ryzen A1 Max Pro processor niya with Radeon 85 OS, 32GB graphics card, 64GB of RAM, 954GB. So, almost 1TB na rin din yung kanyang storage. Napakaganda ng setup ito. All Windows 11 Pro. So, ayan. Maganda yung specs niya. Para pinagmamalaki nila ito online na ito daw ay it's for the creatives daw. Sana yung aking webcam kanina nawala. Ito yung Paul. It's fit for creatives. Tsaka napakaliit niya. No? Napakaliit. I'm not sure for the battery. No? Just check nila yung specs na lang online. And it has a HDMI, USB Type-C for the power, tsaka USB Type-C for devices, no? Merong headphone jack dito. Sa right side is USB Type-C ba to? Yung Type-C. At USB-A, meron din siya. Like, kaya short, baka 3.0 na rin din yan. So, I think sa side is para may speaker siya. Ganda ng Ultrabook niya, grabe. Ito yung pinaka-highlight niya yung araw na to, no? From HP. Unfortunately, yung mini ano nila, no, mini Z2 wala dito, no. Parang masyo kanina parang ganung PC pero mas maliit at mas compact pa. So ayan, that's it our feature for today. We just did another encounter with an awesome laptop from HP. So yun na muna yung mapakita ko, no, kasi ito na talaga yung target natin, tsaka isang desktop nila na maliit. But if ever we can get a sample, feature natin ngayon sa video natin ngayon. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you guys sa the next video vlog adventure. Ito pala yung webcam eh. Okay, bye-bye.